Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing to share with you guys. This is the Glamlite Foodie box. I'm so excited. I've actually never tried anything from Foodie, so what? From Foodie? No, from Glamlite, so why would I immediately buy their Foodie box? Because of their packaging. A friend of mine, Angel, she is Diary of Angel, has raved about them to me previously. So I really wanted to give them a try. Also, they had this one highlighter that has like really cute packaging, and I didn't know that they were going to sell it individually, or else I would have just bought the highlighter. I also ordered one extra pair of lashes and the churro liquid lipstick, so that is not included, or was not included with the Foodie box. I might end up mispronouncing a bunch of things, and yeah, just let me know, because I don't know everything. So if I'm saying something wrong, just tell me, okay? Okay, so here is the lipstick that I got. It's the churros lipstick. The color looked really pretty online. Come on out. Anyway, here's the box it comes in, right? It's really cute. Oh, I didn't realize the shape was so different. It's a triangle. Oh my gosh, my nails match it. My nails match this. And it has a mirror. Now that's cool. It looks really pretty and it matches my nails. Like, how did this happen? How did this happen? Here's the lashes that I ordered. Here's the packaging. They are the taco lashes. These are the pollo lashes. I hope I said that right. I should have took Spanish in high school, but I took French. Anyway, here are the lashes. I'm not wearing lashes today, so if my eyes look a little bald, I'm sorry. But how cute are these? Oh my goodness. I love them. And the little packaging, it looks like a little taco. I'm obsessed. Now onto the things that actually came in the Foodie box. Did I even explain what the Foodie box was? It's an assortment of makeup. Glamlite always has really cool packaging. It seems like everything that they have is based around food. So they've had like a pizza palette, and there's a taco palette in here. They just came out with a donut palette. I think they have a birthday cake palette. Like, their stuff looks so cute. Here are the lip products that came with it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. This is the, I'm gonna say it wrong. Agua Fresca. This is such a pretty gloss. I was so excited when I saw it on the website. I don't know if it's coming across on camera how pretty it is, but it's like this really beautiful glittery bright pink. Oh my gosh, and it's not opaque either. Oh my god, I love that. Sometimes I don't want opaque glosses, okay? And this is like a transparent light pink glimmery shimmery gloss. That's cute. I'm gonna try it. I like it. And I can't feel the glitter pieces in there. Oh my gosh, it smells like strawberries. Oh, that is so good. Oh man, I'm not gonna be able to say this. I know that for sure. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry for everybody who I'm going to insult at the moment. I'm pretty sure this just means Mexican hot chocolate, but I might be wrong. I don't know how to say this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Should I try? No, I'm just gonna butcher it. I don't want to insult people. Okay, but it's another gloss. And it's this shimmery brown gloss. This is gonna be so beautiful on top of a neutral lip. There it is, right there. That is so pretty. So we have another pair of lashes. I can't speak. These are the Michelada in the style Fiesta. How cute are these? They're beautiful. Wow. I love them. They're so pretty and they're so big. I am trash at putting big lashes on. I am trying to get better at it. Obviously not today because I didn't even bother. Oh my gosh, these are the ones I wanted. I wanted the pollo lashes, right? And I was like, okay, I don't know if they're like gonna put that one in my box or not. That's why I ordered a pair separately, but they're the ones I got. They're the ones that were in the box, and they put them in at random. So now I have two pairs of these beautiful little lashes here. I'm excited because these are the ones I wanted. Totally the ones I wanted. Now I have two pairs. I'm happy about that. Alright, this is what sold me on the whole thing. It's the concha highlighter. It looks so pretty and the packaging looks like a concha. So, I hope I'm saying that right. I always heard it said that way, so I'm hoping that I'm saying it correctly. I'm sorry if I'm not. But I used to buy these when I was like in middle school and high school. There was this Mexican grocery store. Literally, it said Mexican grocery. Basically across the street from where I lived. You know, I'd go there like either in the morning or like right after school and like buy myself a concha. So everything's like super cheap in there. So I'd also get like a bunch of candy and stuff. That explains the figure and the cavities. Here is the highlighter. It looks so pretty. Like, let's give it a little swatch. Oh, wow. The texture. This is also like a first impression for me for Glamlite because like I said, I've never shopped with them before. And the whole box was $39, not including the things that I added on. After I added on my stuff, it was like closer to like 56, I think, or like maybe just above 60. Look at the highlighter. It feels like more of a blush to me. Oh no, this works as a highlighter. Ooh, that's nice. I'm very happy with it. This is a cute highlighter. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And the packaging, like, look at it. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, this is the last thing. There's a lot of swatching to do with this because it is an eyeshadow palette. Time to open the Street Taco palette. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's a bit smaller than I had expected because on the website I feel like it looks huge. Pico de Gallo is like my favorite color of all time. Here are the colors in this palette. They look so pretty and all the names are taco themed. Like, how cool is that? I know I've been talking for a really long time, so to save on time, I swatched all the colors on my hand. So I'm just gonna go through and tell you guys which one is which. Starting here, because that's where I started. This is still the highlighter. Right here, this one is Pico de Gallo. It's so pretty. It's this shimmery orange shade and it's gorgeous. Like this is my favorite type of color to use on my eyes. Here is Limon. This one is Red Onions. We have Al Pastor right here. I'm sorry if I'm saying any of this wrong. I really, really apologize. I'm so sorry. Picante is right here. The camera, I feel, is not doing guacamole justice. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I forgot to watch carnitas. Right after pollo is actually carnitas, which I ended up putting right here. I don't feel like the camera's doing this one justice either. This is also a shimmer. It's a very soft shimmer. It looks really, really nice. I don't know if, yeah, it's not really coming off that well on camera. It kind of just looks brown, but there's multiple different shades of glitter going on here, and like depending on what light you change it to, it shifts to a different shade. It looks really, really cool. So after carnitas, there's repollo. I hope I'm saying that right. Anyway, repollo rojo. It's really pretty. It's beautiful berry shade right here. And lastly is carne asada, which looks so good. I'm obsessed. That is like the perfect shade for the outer corner. I'm really excited to play with these colors. I'm definitely going to play with this palette really soon. I'm really excited about it. For anybody who hasn't tried out Glamlite's products yet, I highly suggest going and taking a look at their website. Everything looks so cute. The packaging is so cute. And their eyeshadows feel really good and really soft. That's it. That's everything that I got. I'm so happy with everything. And I'm so happy that I have 2 pairs of the lashes that I really wanted. Really wanted. I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and doing this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Glamlite. I don't have my own coupon code, but I have the one that came in the box, and that is GLAM15. Save yourself 15% off. And that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around to see those. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Be nice to each other, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.